Honey is nature's sweetest gift, and now research shows it can be one of the healthiest too. This video will show how this superfood can benefit your diet and overall health. Plus, we'll reveal some surprising facts about what makes it so special. From aiding digestion and boosting immunity to helping with wound healing and relieving sore throat, learn about all the amazing health benefits honey has to offer. So don't miss out on all that nature has to offer. Watch this video for all the facts on how honey could improve your well-being. So here is the best health benefits of honey. 1. Honey regulates blood sugar levels. Unlike regular sugar, it's no secret that honey is one of the most beneficial natural sweeteners available, and it has been used for centuries to help improve health. But did you know that honey helps reduce blood sugar levels? Research has shown that consuming honey can help stabilize your blood glucose levels, making it a healthier alternative to regular sugars. Unlike regular sugar, which causes rapid spikes in blood sugar, honey slowly releases glucose into the bloodstream. This slow-release carbohydrate allows for an even distribution of energy throughout the day. It's more beneficial, unlike the initial surge followed by a crash. The secret lies in the fact that honey consists of a mixture of fructose and glucose. Both sugars are absorbed more slowly than plain refined sugar, meaning they are broken down and converted into the body at a slower rate than table sugar. This slow release into the bloodstream helps keep blood glucose levels within normal range, which is especially beneficial for people who suffer from diabetes or hypoglycemia. Additionally, honey contains vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, magnesium, and zinc, which can help further regulate blood sugar levels. 2. Honey improves heart health by controlling cholesterol. Honey has long been recognized as a natural sweetener with many health benefits. Now, new research suggests that honey can also improve heart health. A study published in BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine Journal found that honey consumption can reduce bad cholesterol levels, improve inflammation markers, and increase antioxidant capacity. Researchers believe this benefit is due to the high content of antioxidants found in honey. Honey contains flavonoids, a naturally occurring compounds found in plants, which provide anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cardioprotective properties to keep your heart healthy. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress and free radicals, which are associated with an increased risk for heart disease. Additionally, it is rich in sugar, which helps to lower bad cholesterol levels while raising good cholesterol levels. This can help reduce risk factors associated with cardiovascular diseases such as high blood pressure or stroke. These findings suggest that incorporating small amounts of honey into your diet can improve your overall heart health. 3. Honey aids digestion and relieves gastric problems. Honey is an ancient remedy known for its many health benefits. It has been used for centuries to treat various ailments and illnesses, including gastric issues. Recent studies show that honey can be a powerful treatment for stomach problems. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support the body's digestive system, making it an ideal choice for those who suffer from stomach issues or indigestion. This syrup is rich in antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and supports the healing of the intestines and gut lining. Its antibacterial properties make it effective against Helicobacter pylori, a common cause of stomach ulcers and other gastric issues. Additionally, honey helps relieve digestive distress, such as nausea, constipation, and gas. Its natural sugars also provide energy to the body while aiding digestion. These numerous health benefits make honey ideal for relieving gastric problems without resorting to over-the-counter medications or antibiotics. 4. Honey boosts energy. Honey is an incredibly versatile and nutrient-packed natural sweetener that has been used for centuries to boost energy levels. Not only does it provide the body with a slow and steady release of energy, but honey is also packed with vitamins and minerals that help to nourish the body and keep it healthy. With this incredible benefit, honey can be a great addition to your diet if you're looking for an alternative way to increase your daily energy. The most crucial constituent of honey as an energy booster is its natural sugars, which are released into the bloodstream gradually over time, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. This quality makes it ideal for athletes who want sustained energy during workouts or exercise routines. Furthermore, studies have found that consuming small amounts of honey before bed can help improve sleep quality by regulating hormones such as cortisol in the body. This improved sleep quality further enhances your energy and focus during the daytime. 5. Honey promotes the healing of wounds and burns. As a natural antiseptic, honey has antibacterial properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Studies have found that honey is highly effective in treating wounds and minor skin burns due to its ability to draw out moisture, creating an environment hostile to bacteria. Honey's healing benefits are due to its high sugar content, which produces hydrogen peroxide when it comes into contact with damaged tissue. This quality helps kill off bacteria while preventing infection and promoting the growth of new tissue cells. The sticky consistency of honey also forms a protective barrier over the wound, protecting against further damage or contamination from dirt or airborne particles. In addition, honey features vitamins and minerals essential for healthy skin cell regeneration. 6. Honey is a natural remedy for cough and sore throat. Honey is one of the oldest and most versatile natural remedies in nature. It has been used for centuries for coughs and sore throats. Studies have shown that honey can soothe coughs and sore throats due to its antibacterial and antiviral properties that help fight infection. It also helps reduce inflammation, making it even more beneficial in treating these ailments. With the rise of bacterial resistance to antibiotics and colds caused by viruses, honey has become an increasingly important natural remedy. It reduces symptoms of coughs and sore throats and speeds up recovery time for those who are feeling under the weather. Its antioxidants help boost immunity, making the body better fight off infection and illness. Furthermore, it doesn't have any side effects like some over-the-counter medications. 7. Honey aids with weight loss. Honey is often overlooked for weight loss and dieting, but it can be an excellent tool in achieving these health goals. Recently, research has shown that this syrup can help with weight management. People looking for a natural way to lose weight should consider adding honey to their diets. Not only does it provide essential nutrients, but its natural sweetness has been proven to suppress cravings for sugary snacks that could derail any diet plan. Honey is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help to support weight loss efforts. It helps to boost metabolism, reduce fat accumulation in the body, and regulate blood sugar levels, all essential steps to losing weight. Studies show that adding just 2 teaspoons of honey per day can help people lose up to 2 pounds over a month. The key is to replace unhealthy sweeteners with honey. It will reduce calorie intake without sacrificing taste. Honey also contains natural sugars, providing energy for physical activity and exercise, both crucial elements for successful weight loss efforts. As you can see, honey is truly a miracle food with many incredible benefits for both body and mind. It's no surprise that honey has been a beloved food throughout history. From reducing inflammation to providing energy and vitamins, honey is an amazing natural ingredient that is easy to incorporate into your diet. If you haven't already, it's time to get some of nature's goodness in the form of gorgeous honey. So go ahead, grab a spoonful of honey and enjoy its many benefits. Who knows, you might even find yourself buzzing with energy. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 8 powerful health benefits of garlic and honey on an empty stomach. Thanks for watching and bye for now.